Now we will see some more problems related to this concept. Okay. R square is equal to a square into cos 2 theta. R square is equal to a square into cos 2 theta. Okay. Now, same as our previous problem only. Same as our previous problem only. Why? Because this is also given in terms of r and theta. Okay. Area will be 2 times integral 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, 2 pi by ds by d theta into d theta. Assume y is equal to r sin theta. Assume y is equal to r sin theta. This is the formula. We have to find each and every term substituting in that formula. Okay. Means first given r square is equal to a square cos 2 theta. Differentiating on both sides. 2r dr by d theta is equal to a square into minus sine 2 theta into 2. Okay. Dr by d theta is equal to 2 will get cancelled, minus a square sine 2 theta by r. Okay. This is dr by d theta. This is dr by d theta. Now, we will find the ds by d theta. What is the formula for ds by d theta? R square plus dr by d theta whole square. R square plus dr by d theta whole square. R square means a square cos 2 theta plus minus a square sin 2 theta by r whole square. A square cos 2 theta plus a power 4 sin 2 theta sin square 2 theta by r square. Okay. Simplification should be done. What is mean by, again we have r square is equal to plus a power 4 sin square 2 theta by r square is a square cos 2 theta. Here LCM a power 4 cos square 2 theta plus a power 4 sin square 2 theta by a square cos 2 theta. If we take a power 4 common, cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta is equal to 1. Cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta is equal to 1. Okay, a power 4 by a square cos 2 theta. This will be cancelled. A square by cos 2 theta. A square by cos 2 theta means that is nothing but a by root cos 2 theta. A by root cos 2 theta. This is ds by d theta. Okay. Now, area is given by 2 times integral 0 to pi by 4 2 pi y. What is y? R sin theta into ds by d theta. A by root cos 2 theta into d theta. Okay. This is the formula. Now what we have to do? Substituting the value of r, everything simplification should be done. Once we will see here, area formula at the beginning of the problem only have written assuming y r sin theta. Okay. What is r here? What is r here? R is a under root cos 2 theta. R is 2 0 to pi by 4 2 pi a under root cos 2 theta sin theta into a by root cos 2 theta into d theta. Okay. This and this will get cancelled. This is 4 pi a square 0 to pi by 4 sin theta d theta. Okay. 4 pi a square integration is minus cos theta 0 to pi by 4. Minus cos theta 0 to pi by 4. Now, upper limit minus lower limit. Minus of cos pi by 4 minus cos 0. This is 4 pi a square minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Okay. 4 pi a square 1 minus 1 by root 2 is our area of the given curve. Okay. This is the area of the given curve. So, this is the formula and our assumption for the given curve. We are finding dr by d theta and ds by d theta. After that, substituting in the formula, simplification, we are getting the final answer. Okay. We will see one more problem, and this is the last problem. Every method is covered here. Cartesian equation is covered, polar equation is covered. For Cartesian equation, we did 2 problems. For polar equation, we did 2 problems. This is parametric equation. This is parametric equation. Okay. Prove that the surface generated by the revolution of the tractrix x is equal to 1 curve is given here and y is equal to one more curve is given there about its asymptote. We have to find the surface. Find the surface. Okay. It's not prove that, it is find the surface. Find the surface generated by the revolution of the tractrix. Here x and y are given in terms of t, means this is called as parametric equation. Okay. First, we have to write in our solution. While we are entering the problem in our script, we have to write the hypothesis first. What is x and what is y? Okay. In the solution, we have to write given x is equal to and y is equal to. Okay. Now we will find dx by dt and dy by dt. Why we are finding dx by dt and dy by dt? Our formula will be, area formula will be 2 times integral 0 to pi by 2, 2 pi by ds by dt into dt, where ds by dt is equal to under root dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square. Okay. Dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square. Okay. Now, we will find dx by dt. What is dx by dt? Differentiating with respect to t. Means minus a sin t, minus a sin t. When we are doing differentiation, 100% we need to know the formulas. Without the formulas, we can't even do a single problem also in this semester 1 differentiation and integration calculus. Okay. 100% we need to learn the formulas. Cos t differentiation is minus sin t plus a by 2 constant. Log x differentiation is 1 by x, means 1 by tan square t by 2 into d by dt of t by 2 minus a sin t plus a by 2 1 by tan square t by 2 tan square 2 tan t by 2 tan differentiation is secant square t by 2 into 1 by 2 dt. This is complete differentiation of this given x. Okay, internal differentiation is done. This is first differentiation. Internal 1 time, 2 time, 3 times internal differentiation is done for the problem. Okay, now simplification should be done. Minus a sin t, minus a sin t. 1 tan will get cancelled. Here 2 and 2 also will get cancelled. Plus a by 2. Here also 1, 2 is remained. A by 2 1 by tan is nothing but cot. It is cos t by 2 by sin t by 2. Okay. This is 1 by cos square t by 2 into dt minus a sin t minus a sin t. 1 cos will get cancelled. A by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 into dt. Okay. Here we won't get dt. Why? Because we did dx by dt only. Therefore, dx by dt is equal to minus a sin t plus a by sin t. This is a formula for sin t. Sin t is equal to 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Trigonometric formula. Okay. This is dx by dt. This is dx by dt. Now, we have y is equal to, what is given y? What is given? Y is equal to a sin t. A sin t. A sin t means what is dy by dt? A cos t. Now, first we will find dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square. Why? Because this is ds by dt. Dx by dt whole square minus a sin t plus a by sin t whole square plus dy by dt whole square a cos t whole square. Simplification should be done. A square sin square t plus a square by sin square t plus 2a square sin t by 1 by sin t. Why? Because a square plus b square plus 2 minus 2ab minus 2a sin t a by sin t. Okay. Means 2a square sin t 1 by sin t. Here also a square cos square t. Here this and this will get cancelled. Um, a square sin square t plus a square cos square t, a square will be remained. Why? Because if we take common, sin square t plus cos square t is equal to 1. And here also plus a square by sin square t minus 2a square minus a square plus a square by sin square t. If you take a square common, 1 by sin square t minus 1. Okay. See how lengthy simplification this is. We need to do a square 1 minus sin square t by sin square t means a square cos square t by sin square t. All square and under will be getting cancelled. We are remained with a cot t. Only a cot t will be remained here. Means ds by dt is equal to a cot t. Now we will find area. Now we will find area. Okay. Area is 2 times 0 to pi by 2, 2 pi by ds by dt into dt. Means 4 pi 0 to pi by 2. Y is a sin t. A sin t. ds by dt is a cot t into dt. Okay. 4 pi 0 to pi by 2. A square sin t. Cot t can be written as cos by sin. Sin will get cancelled. Cos t dt. 4 pi a square cos t integration is sin t 0 to pi by 2. 4 pi a square sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. Okay. This is 4 pi a square 1 minus 0 Answer is 4 pi a square. Okay. See how much lengthy this problem is. Not only about this problem, in areas, the problems are lengthy when compared to the other topics. Okay. All models covered. Okay. This is parametric form. This is the formula. According to the formula, we have this. After that, we find a dx by dt, dy by dt. Substituting in this, first we are finding ds by dt. Okay. This is ds by dt. After that, substituting every value in our formula, we got 4 pi, y is a sin t, this is a cot t. After complete simplification and integration, we got the answer 4 pi a square. This is the area of the given two curves. Okay. See, if you observe all these problems, okay, see, this is the concept and this is the main formula which these questions are repeated many times. Cartesian equation questions are repeated many times in our question papers, okay, for long answers. And here, if you observe, this is the formula for Cartesian equation and this is the formula when the question is given in terms of r and theta. I have written here in detail. See, when Cartesian equations are given, this is the formula. Parametric equation is given, this is the formula. Polar equation is given, this is the formula. Okay, this is the concept for Cartesian equation. You can 100% expect from the areas concept one long question, 12 marks. Okay. If you compare all the 5 problems which we did now, all the topics are covered. Okay. Means you from unit 4 length formulas are also covered here. Means in unit 4, if you focus on this length formulas means Cartesian, parametric and polar formulas. You can do length as well as areas. Only volumes is different. Volumes you have two formulas. One is for x-axis and another is for y-axis. For x-axis, integral a to b pi y square into dx. For y-axis, integral a to b pi x square into dy. Okay, you have like the two formulas for volumes, three formulas for length, three formulas for areas. Okay, but all formulas are similar here. Okay, see, this is the last concept of unit 4, theorem of Pappus, volume of revolution and surface of revolution. We are going to derive the formula for the length. Okay, finally, in both the topics, we are going to derive the formula for length. Here, the volume of revolution. If you observe, volume of revolution, this is a theory concept. You can see this. If a closed plane curve revolves the straight line in its plane, that is in brackets, a straight line not intersecting the curve, then the volume of solid of revolution thus formed is obtained on multiplying the area of the region enclosed by the curve with the length of the path described by the centroid of the region. Okay. We take x-axis as the axis of revolution. Suppose that the curve is such that every line parallel to y-axis and lying between the coordinates x is equal to a and x is equal to b of 2 points a and b meets the curve in two and only 2 points p1 and p2. Okay. Let mp1 is equal to y1, mp1 is equal to y1, mp2 is equal to y2, so that y1 and y2 are functions of x. Y1 and y2 are functions of x means they are nothing but the Cartesian equations. What is the volume of revolution for the Cartesian equation? If y is equal to f of x and x-axis is the axis of revolution, integral a to b pi into y square into dx. If y1 is the point, integral a to b pi into y1 square into dx. If y2 is the point, integral a to b pi y2 square into dx. See, this is the figure in the coordinate plane. Okay. Now the volume V of the solid of revolution is given by this complete volume, pi into integral a to b y2 square dx minus pi integral a to b y1 square into dx. That is, if we take pi integral a to b common, y2 square minus y1 square into dx. Okay. Also the ordinates y bar of centroid of the region is given by y bar is equal to integral a to b. This is a formula for centroid of the region, ma. 1 by 2 y1 plus y2 into y2 minus y1 into dx. Okay. Therefore, by A. Okay, this is 1 by 2. This is A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square into dx by A being the area of the region, A being the area of the region. From equations 1 and 2. What is equation 1 here? This is equation 1, volume. Okay, this is equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, we have V is equal to 2 pi y bar into A. So that the result follows 2 pi y bar being the length of the path described by the centroid. Okay, this is theorem of Pappus. Okay, just we have the theory part regarding the volume of revolution. We know the formula for volume of revolution for the Cartesian equation. Y is equal to f of x. Okay, we have to write that formula, and we have to take common for y1 and y2. After that, we have to write the formula for centroid of the region, and from equations 1 and 2, we have to do comparison and we have to substitute. Okay, this is the last concept of unit 4. This complete our complete syllabus of differentiation and integration calculus. That is nothing but differential and integral calculus. We have to know the formulas for differentiation as well as the formulas for integration for doing this concept. Okay. First and foremost thing is, for unit 1 and unit 2, we should know partial differentiation. Whereas for unit 3, we need to know differentiation, ordinary differentiation. Whereas for unit 4, we need to know ordinary differentiation as well as integration also. Means it is a combination of differentiation and integration. Okay, this is the final concept. Thank you.